Coal India could be drawn. Now this is gonna be a delete this, and we can draw a new with this. Okay, now this we can keep it. So Coal India is expected to make a good returns above 160, 163.30. If 163.30 gets broken, we will see a one more downfall. Okay, done. And this no new Fibo, nothing. Okay, this is again one more two stocks we keep tracking from last 3 days. Yesterday I had 10 paisa stop loss. Today I made some 25 paisa returns in this. So now the new low has been made. As the new low has been made, this Fibo will becomes invalid. We have to shift this to the new low. This today is new low. Today is a new low which has been made. This is gonna be a new Fibo for power grid. Until unless this low is not broken, we can expect the stock to have a retracement. Right? No entry, no Fibo, no Fibo, no Fibo. This is nothing. Delete it. Okay, so we cannot draw in every stock. It has to meet the parameters. So now this was the drawn earlier. So it has been broken and going down, going down, going down. So now as this low is broken, this Fibo get invalid and we will not draw a new Fibo in Axis Bank. Reason being the low has been made. From here, no reversal happened. It is quickly same day it retraced and it is on a consolidation mode. So no new Fibo could be drawn in Axis Bank. Canara Bank, a good stock for Fibo. So now here the challenge is where do you find a low? And I have to find a high. So if I found a high, I need to come down, very short trend, can't take this low. Again come back. This is a new low. Maybe I can try this low or this low. There's nothing wrong in drawing either this low or this low. So just draw and see if it makes sense. So I'm drawing with this low and this high. Okay, I can keep it. Good amount of trend is there, or even I can move this low to here also. Okay, so for me this makes more sense. We can go with this low and we can keep it. So any closing on Canara Bank over and below 229 levels will lead to a downfall till 218.60 levels. Okay, that's how you should read it. Now this is pretty simple. Now we can add here. Okay, so it is respected. Now this becomes a valid Fibo for me because if I drew this from here, it does not give me any sense. But however, if I push it to this to here, it is telling me that the stock hit retracement 23.6 and bounce back. Today also stock is failed to close below this and bounce back. Now tomorrow, if you see a closing of Canara Bank below 223, 229.70, it gives me confirmation that the stock is heading towards downside and I can expect the stock to travel till the levels of 218 before bouncing back. IGL. Now, as this was the previously we have taken for entry, as this 100% was broken, it came down to 113, 138, and finally it hit 161.8 and retraced. Now, moment it got retraced, this Fibo will become invalid. I'll delete this. If I look in the chart, for me, I can take low as this, and high is one high is this, and one high is this. So I have two highs to mark my Fibo. Either I can try with this high or this high, but we will go with the recent swing high itself, and so we can draw a Fibo from this high to this low. And now that gives me a whole lot of information about the stock. Simple, right? I did not do any rocket science or nothing. Whatever the 5 steps: find high, find low, find trend reversal. First find trend reversal, find high, find low, draw Fibo. So draw, did you see why did IGL halted at 505? Do we have any other tool which could tell you 10 SMA, nothing, 50 SMA, nothing, 200 SMA, nothing, 50 SMA, nothing, and you can add even pivot point. No other indicator will tell you why did stock halted or why did stock make a reversal from here. Do we have any other tool, any mechanism to say why stock? So these are the potential reversal zones, 61.8 and 31.2. Now you know that if you would have entered, if you would have caught this move, you have to book your profits at moment it hit the zone. Most of times, 99% of time, all the stocks will honor the number of what is coming over here. Then only it will make a reversal. Now at the same time, if we are able to cross 505.30 successfully on Monday, the stock will again travel towards 537 levels. Okay, pretty simple yet a very effective tool. So all you need to do is just keep drawing Fibo, keep drawing Fibo, keep drawing Fibo, and keep drawing Fibo. Okay, so IGL is done. This is a good one. I'll share the chart later. So Cub, no entry, Zeal, no Fibo, no Fibo, no Fibo, no Fibo, no, nothing, no. These are old one drawings. Okay, I was talking. Okay, we're tracking this REC also. If it comes to this level, we can make an entry in REC. Okay, there's after Bajaj Auto breakdown after good amount of consolidation. Something is happening in the stock. Okay, stock today had a breakdown with a good amount of volume. So if this gets broken, we can expect it to come here. Then it might fall further down. Okay, last is okay Godrej. We caught this move last time. It had reversal. Now the low is broken. Okay, the low is broken. So if the low is broken, simple, it is showing a 0. So just go to Fibo and make it reverse. This will become 100. When you get the 100, activate all the important Fibos. What is going to come over next? Okay. Now, not too much. We don't need not need it. So keep it 123.6, 138.2, 161.8 and 2.0. So now the potential reversal for these Tata consumer is we can expect to come at this level and make a bounce back on this level or this level or this level. So wherever you see a bounce back, either you can wait for a bounce back or take a small risk in entering into a position with a small stop loss. That is how you can make inferences out of Fibo. So it's not only for FNO stocks. Fibo will works better in non-FNO stocks. Okay, so we can delete this and let me see if I could draw Fibo on this. Yes, of course I can draw Fibo because a trend is there, trend reversal is there, high and low. Here also it could made a good trend high and low. Start drawing Fibo as many stocks as you want and start learning it. The more you draw, the eyes will start scanning the stock very quickly. This is the one Fibo. Earlier, if you want, I could have drawn this as a one Fibo. Okay, two Fibos. And let me see, Goa, no trend, no trend, no trend. Okay, this we can draw Fibo actually. If you see, this is the high and this is the low. And see here, whichever stock you draw Fibo, you get some beautiful inferences. Now, if the stock is not able to cross 61.8% retracement zone, it is coming back to 31.8 and again bouncing back to 61.8, again coming back, again bouncing back. So stock is completely doing a bounce back from the 61.8 and 38.2. HSCL, no entry as of now. See, Bottle Chemicals, still it came, hit and bounced back. So wherever you see the major number to concentrate is 61.8 and 38.2. These two are the zones where it takes a reversal. Okay, this could be one good one to draw. Right, high, I have a high and I have a low. Okay, this is what the shows. So start drawing, start drawing, start drawing, and see how does the stocks behave. So keep these numbers, whatever I've shown you, whatever I'm showing you on the screen, 31, 13, 23.6, 31, 38.2, 61.8, 78.6, 86, 8.69, 100%. Now this is becomes invalid. I have to delete this. The new Fibo would be this high and this low. Did you see the magic? Again, respected 38.2. So do not make entry in Reliance Infra unless this number is broken, because if it gets broken, it will start traveling upside to 61.8 and next to 100%. So every stock you see, you'll have a, now if the trend is there, you can expect a Fibo to work on. Okay, this again question shipyard, no entry as of now. So now we can't draw this Fibo on this, but it's a old Fibo which has been drawn from the last swing high and swing low. So now again entry could be made coming at this particular zone, right? I'm going to have an alert set for this. Okay, I'm going to have alert set for this on the system. No entry and okay, Bajaj Electricals. It was a good one based on the moving average. Okay, so and again, if you could see, the stock is refusing to close below 88.6%. The strong reversal is ahead, but I took an entry based on the moving average 200 SMA, which was acted multiple days support. Okay, previously when the stock was hit over here, after this the stock hit 200 SMA only here. Strong bounce back is expected. I have also invested when I've given for all of you for position. I have position on Bajaj Electricals here, right? 25 stocks I have taken. I'm a loss of 2%, but need not worry. I'm not bothered about it. The minute it comes down, I'm going to take it. Next, I have a car trade. Car trade came in profits. I did not book. Krishna Devani came in profits. I did not book because this is not looking into a short term. I want all those things to make a beautiful returns of minimum 100%. Now I'm waiting for the car trade to make a next entry at the zones of 138.2% because here the trend is we got a here it took a reversal. So if you see it exactly this particular stock, it is respecting Fibo level every time. Okay, it is respecting Fibo level every time. If I take a trend as this, the first entry as this is the first move. Let me show a replay. Okay, so there's a first move stock has given after IPO launch, and from there the stock did make a reversal and it went and hit 61.8% and it has started falling from there on. Okay, so now when it started falling from there on, when it broke zero level, right? When it broke the zero level, it can't be minus zero. So what we have to do, we have to convert this into a reverse Fibo. Let it break. Okay, the minute this got broken, what I did, I reversed the Fibo and enabled 138.2 and 161.8. Two levels I have enabled. So when I enabled two levels, what happened? The stock came down. Further, it's booked at 138.2. So it has to come and hit 161.8. Okay, it has been broken that. So when it broken that also, when it closed below, it signed that it has to go 2. So enabled levels of 2. And let's see what's happened now. Okay, it came, hit 2 zones. Then see, previously it came here, but it was missed by almost 40 paisa. Next day, it did came down, respected right Fibo level, okay, respected right Fibo level, then it is bouncing back, okay, it has started bouncing back. So now I got an entry level at 2.0. It is bouncing back. A new low has been made. So minute the new low has been made, I have to delete this Fibo. I should draw a new Fibo. Either I can go draw Fibo from here to here and see the beauty of it. It is going up. Okay, so here I should not reverse the Fibo because I should put a normal Fibo. Okay, so now again going up. Now look at the beauty. The minute stock took a reversal, it went and hit on dot 61.8%. Not even a 1 rupee moved out. From there on, I was supposed to book the profit at here. I missed it actually. So again, it is falling down from the same levels. It did not even move an inch from there. Let's see if it breaks on upper side. No. It is going down, going down, going down. So car trade is beautifully respecting Fibo level no matter what. So I did not bother to book my profits. I'm just left it. Again, it has broken now. It has broken again this level. So now I have to reverse the Fibo again, reverse it, enable 138.168 point and 2 levels. And I'm waiting for it to come to this level. Let's see now. So it has come down. It has come down. But it is waiting at here. So now every time it is respecting Fibo level. Now I will make my next round of investment at 1055. And next round of investment, I'll make it as 959. Right? Final investment at here. But you know, company is good. We had a good buzz around IPO. So there will be definitely a reversal in a short period of time. This counter. That's why I'm holding this counter without booking. Chemplast also, I invested in very low level. I was in 20% profit, but I made my third set of investment at this level, which was not right. 821 was the third level which I've made. Maybe it could show this. Yeah, look at here. 23rd August, this entry I'm in profit of 20% already. But the entry which I took last with a bit high investment. Earlier I made 14,000, 15,000, 8,000. Here instead of taking 25, I missed and took 75. This one is hitting me a bit loss, but that is fine, right? That's fine because I know why I invested 23rd October. Okay, last was 20th of October. Last entry I made was 714, which was quite high at this level, 714. But till it went up to 826, I didn't bother to book my profits. I'm still gonna hold it because my expectation for every entry which I've made is minimum 100%. Take 1 minute. Okay, so this is what I'm holding it on a breakup price. So every stock, whatever you see in my counter, even if whatever I took again, Adani Power also, if you see, all entries is in profits, right? This only one is in loss. Everything I'm making a split investments. Every dip I will enter. So in 2 3 days, portfolio will start coming into green, and every 1% will give me 15% returns, and I'm expecting 10% returns in every counter. So only thing which is worry cause for worry for me is Kimplast and card trade, and even Krishna. So Krishna also, it was in very good profits. I did a last investment which bit screwed my portfolio, right? This is Krishna, right? Okay, why it's not showing my okay, holding breakup he is here. Okay, this one is causing me a bit worry. Rest all in profits. So third last investment in the Nifty was lifetime high. That is where I made little bit investment, which is pushing my portfolio into red zone. But no problem, it will get compensated in another 2 3 days. Whether market goes down or up, one of the other stocks are giving a breakout. Example, today I've got a breakout in Devyani 10%, and Vodafone 5%, and HFCL. It's all came profit. Today lots are the only thing which is went okay. This was an IPO stock. Okay, it is an open in red 5%. Fine, no problem. I didn't see the stocks fundamentals. Let me check. Fino Payments Bank. Okay, it did go up to 580. Okay, only opening hours. Then it is retesting. That's fine. It's IPO. Need not worry. I'm going to invest in all IPOs. Not only this, I invest in rest IPOs. Whatever has came today. What was there is my IPO? The platform is pretty good. I'm enjoying it. Okay, my upcoming my IPO applications. Okay, I've got a Policy Bazaar also. I've got HS Enterprise also. This one I didn't get. Fino I got. Paytm I applied. Okay, I missed to get an ICA. I didn't did my IPO, I mean my IPO mandate, so it got failed. So rest, let's see how this thing's open. So whatever IPO coming in, I'm default applying one lot no matter what, right? And whatever I applied in IPOs, it never left me loss, right? If you could see, I have allotment failed. I applied for everything, but did not get. Earlier, I started applying for 2 lakh rupees. I never got any allotment. Then started applying only one lot. I'm receiving some allotments now. See, earlier I used to put all 2 lakh rupees for every IPO which is coming on it. One I got Krishna, I got a good profits. This I made very good profits in Sona. So platform is really nice. They've designed it. Okay, so people who are opening through are this on this one as well. They are giving me a they are giving them all the benefits what we're giving for all the students opening demat account. So it's our offer is going on. We can use the link and open the demat account and get access to Prime as well as this, and even Paytm mutual fund is also really good. I never invest in mutual fund, but I'm starting mutual fund also small amount. Whenever I make profits on my intraday, I'm putting half fund in here, half fund in there. Try to diversify investments and different things. I start doing in ETFs also. Not nothing, no much idea about ETFs. Yes, I need to start working on ETFs also. But for us, the equity itself is give a better profits. So I'm investing on this. I'm using other feature as well. Pretty good they are giving, right? Okay, still it is going non-stop, guys. What's happening with Paras? I missed to invest in the first day, but going up, right? Now that's about the all about Fibo. I think I've drawn enough number of Fibo to make you guys um, say in index fund. Always go with equity investment rather than mutual fund. Any other thing. Equity gives you the best returns. The maybe you can see next 1 month my portfolio will be at least a lakh rupees profit. From there on, no stoppage over. Once a small reversal. So now major investment what I've done is only on these three. So if these two turns into green, Emplast and Krishna turns into green, then rest all will be rest all its minor investment doesn't make much. So every week I'm investing 50,000 rupees. Now this stop investing in this. I'm going to have a new set of stocks which I've already kept in radar. Where what was those things? Windlass. Okay, Windlass Biotech. It is anytime it might reverse very shortly. a good stock which has been broken. So we can even try Fibo number if we could draw over here. The similar way what we drawn for car trade. Okay, so the stock has still the potential downside. Okay, 1 minute, it's a wrong Fibo. Let me uncheck this. Okay, this is the one. So similar like car trade, it went down, took a resistance 61.8%. It has broken, it is going down. So similar way, if we reverse this Fibo, we can expect the stock price to hit 286.5, then make a reversal. So my stop loss would be hit on this trade, but I'm going to do second round of investment. I have a small investment in Windlass. Here 45,000 rupees. So I'm gonna add another 25,000 rupees. When it's gonna hit this level, then a bounce back, because these stocks you will never get this levels in your lifetime. In fact, Devyani also I've invested available at here. So now I thought of booking profits here, but no, I did not book. And again, get 10 more percent of profit. Now in your lifetime, you may not get this level to invest once again. So what I invest in IPO stocks coming into lifetime down level, open a separate demat account, invest 5,000, 10,000. Look at here, nothing much. 13,000, 25,000, most are less than 50,000 rupees. Only these three above lakh because I wanted to bring into profit. That's why I add more investment. Or else this also would have been small investment only. Okay, like this start with 100 shares, 200 shares, 50 shares, 25K, 10K per stock. And Devyani Zomato, we have, of course, we have missed it, right? And GLS, my GLS was in deep loss. Okay, it was in deep loss because I started investing somewhere at this level. It went up. I did not book profits. It has come so down level, but again, I did not bother. I again took at the right time on a reversal. I think it is in. It should be in profits for me. Yeah, it's only loss of 2% now. Okay, it's only loss of 2%. And I was waited for the much more level. Okay, 2%. It is in. It's going to be profit. Maybe it came into profits 2 days back, right? It was almost 10% profit. I did not book it. I will again buy when it available at lifetime low at 602 levels. So again, because these stocks, good company stocks, you will never get at this price. People talk about long-term investment. This is long-term investment. A tiny investment of 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 15,000. You have a separate demat account, book profits. When you book profits, divide half into profits, shift half into your account for your shopping, shift half into one more demat account, and buy whichever stock you feel comfortable. See, Bajaj, Aditya Birla, HFCL, Devyani, Surya Small Bank, Sham Metallic Energy. If you see all are known companies, Adani Power, if you see my investment, 1,000 stocks, if you could see here, see, this I took at 110. The stock has dropped to 101. Again, I bought 100 shares at a 10% discount. Again, I felt stock is sustaining at this level. I should buy more. I took again 100 from 50 shares. Again, next stock gave a breakout. I took 150 shares more at 104. Finally, again, I took at 102 some more amount of shares. So because if you see Adani Power, last time it went blindly from the levels of 26 to 160. I was extremely worried that I missed such a big move. This time I don't want to move. When the stock again came at this level, it took a support. This is what the 101, 102's levels. I made entry. So now if I draw a Fibo on this high and this low, and go for normal Fibo, not a reverse one. Okay, this is how the Fibo looks. But again, if this low also broken, next round I'll make entry at here, because averaging is a crime, but not on an investment. Every dip is a potential opportunity to invest for your long term. So these account you should not look for a profits. Keep a target in next 1 year or maximum 2 years. This should become returns of 100%. Okay, straight 100%. That is nothing better you can do. Then you can do intraday whatever you feel comfortable, right? Mutual fund also, I've invested good decent amount of money in mutual fund as well. And what do I see? How do I see my mutual fund here? I also have around 12 lakh rupees over here, fetching returns of 4%. Again, this I'm expecting only 10% returns for the next 1 year. Not much, but simply I want to try mutual fund. How does it works? And I invested even the Nifty is going down. Mutual fund is also giving me decent benefits. They have very good platform on a mobile platform to check the mutual fund growth. This is how I invested in every fund, and most of fund are giving me see July, September, 4th, 4th, 15th September. Again, I'm doing a split investments, and one simple way what I'm following investing mutual fund is I'm not bothering what they are into, what they're investing in. I'm simply investing in all the mutual fund which is coming as a new, which is called as NFO, the new mutual fund which is coming in. I'm investing that. So 10,000 rupees each fund are diversified into 50 to 60 mutual funds, and most of them are green. So it's my own way of investing in mutual fund. 10,000 rupees, take it, invest in mutual fund which is launching newly. And of course, I'm doing did some research on this, but I'm not satisfied with the returns of 4% over the period of last 6 months. Not happy, but it's fine. I'm expecting 10% returns per annum. Some one more way to diversify my investment, right? We should have all flavor into it, not only with intraday or equity. Intraday, equity, positional, short-term, long-term, swing trading, mutual fund, options, futures, whatnot. So every instrument is good to fetch money. Don't strict yourself, but everything you don't need separate knowledge. Mutual fund, trust me, I don't even know what is the meaning of NAV. How do I withdraw funds? I don't even know that. Simple, but it's an instrument will give me profits. Diversify my investment in some different instruments. Suddenly, the stock market can dip up to 5%. My portfolio may go to 10% of negative. Mutual fund will not go so much. But if Nifty goes this up 10%, my portfolio go 20%. I can book profits. Mutual fund only go for 2%. So every instrument has its own advantage and disadvantages. So try to diversify funds, and trust me, I entered the mutual fund only because the platform is really good. I was enjoying investing in mutual fund. This is how my growth is from the last 3 months or for 6 months, close to 6 months. Not happy with the returns, but fine. I can, the moment I get a good, decent stocks to enter, I'll withdraw this fund, I'll put back into equity because equity gives me returns like this. I know how to get these kind of returns. Right? Reds are there, nothing but nothing. Nobody's expertise in market. Reds and greens are part of your portfolio, right? This is how I manage my funds, and of course, we have a company account where we have a portfolio of close to 50 lakhs to 1 year, where we invest for short-term swing trading. Apart from this, I do also have my intraday trading, which I do whenever I get time. Right? This is how you have to manage your trades. So, getting knowledge is important. Also, how you use your knowledge is also equally important for your better growth. Putting all money in one basket is not good. Similarly, I say putting all money in stock market is for a short intraday is also not good. You split account and keep one account with 1 lakh or 50,000 rupees capital for intraday, plus major 90% of capital keep in long-term investment, and one more account for very long-term investments. This could be for your kids or a grandkids future. This 15 lakh over a period of 10 years will definitely become 1.5 cr. I'm going to make this 1.5 cr. No matter what, I will not withdraw even a single penny. I'll not even book any profits until every counter becomes double or even 50%. And the stocks which I've taken will not become zero over time. They are well researched stock. Only one or two is risk, like Vodafone, it's going down, but still there is only profit of loss of 4%. Vodafone today actually went up by 4%, 5%. And one period or one cycle, it will become green. None of them which I'm holding is on risky. India pesticides did give me a very good profits, and in fact I did not book it, but I made two investments, right? This gives you very good perspective of way you invested, how the stock did behave for you. good platform, and this is so good in web platform. Mobile, it is much more beautiful. Trust me, it is really beautiful. Maybe I can show you a quick thing if I would like to now. Okay, there's some way where I can show my screen. Yeah, right. So on a mobile screen, this is how the application looks, and this is how the mutual fund my portfolio looks. And if I want to invest in mutual fund, I will say go for a new fund offering. So next, three new funds are coming in at 11 days, 13 days, and this, and just is gonna go. Maybe I'll see Quant Fund, and I will see is a very high risk, and the similar mutual fund has returns of 30% returns in the over the similar fund category. And if I go on this and I'll see returns, what they are giving. Okay, this is pretty new one. So let me go for this. Okay, 1 month returns, 3 month returns, 6 month returns, 1 year returns, and 3 returns. So this fund is really doing really good, right? This fund is really doing good. So I'll just go back, and of course, its risk is very high. Just invest now, lump sum, maybe 10,000. Proceed. Just add a UPI. It'll get debited, and you get the account instantly. So currently, I've invested 25K. Yesterday, I've invested uh, one transaction on 30,000 rupees I invested. So like this, you can see, and you can always see your portfolio, how it is performing. See, blindly I invested in everything coming on my way, and everything is in profits. Be it a small or less, it is in green zone, and I'm going to keep it for next 5 years. Not going to withdraw any of these things. So even the market goes any wrong way, other thing is compensating me. Similarly, the way you do in stock, right? Some stocks compensating, other stocks losses, which is giving good profits. I'm investing double investments. I'm just increasing my investment twice, thrice, and keep investing, increasing like this. What you see, once at 20K, again 20K. 2 days I invested same fund on HDFC, and here I did on 4th of July, 4th of October, 5th of October, and keep on adding, which is already in good amount of green. So you can see the this and click on this, how this is performing. You can also see very nicely they've designed. Not only this, the equity platform is also similarly good. The way they designed for mutual fund, very neat and very clean, right? Many features are available, and it's very smooth. Buying and selling is also as similar. Today's my portfolio is 0.2% up when compared to 1%, 1.2% up in Nifty 50. So you can see what's happening on every day as well. Clear? No order placed. Did not trade anything today. I'm just waiting for everything to come green before entering recent IPOs. So you can see recent IPOs, how much they've made on the opening day listing. You can see the opening listing gains, everything over here to 20%, 53%. Maybe the today's one was in loss. What was listed today? What was that? Bank still not updated. They update by end of the day, right? So pretty good application. So start, of course, open Demat account. I'll share the link once again if you guys want. And that's all I had for the day. Okay, any doubts? Session was good, bad, ugly? Code was quite silent for the whole day. Good to see no out of the box questions were asked. right? So keep practicing, keep practicing it. Nothing has been completed or nothing has been closed as of now. The learning will never stop at Stock Phoenix, right? The learning will never stop at Stock Phoenix. Done. Any more questions? No stocks for tomorrow. All like all you saw all corrupted, right? No charts are good. Someday simply it's going up, one day going down. Today Indigo made a big boom. In fact, I made a decent amount in what is this Bharat Folk. It was a pure scalping, a risky one. Today, of course, my portfolio started with 20K green, then went to 70K profit, then came to 30K negative, then again went to 60K profit, then again 50K profit, 55K I closed by end of the session. It was a very good up and swing for the whole day. I was stick to my desk. I did not trade for last 1 week. I was on vacation. Today sat, and of course I recovered my vacation charges, whatever I spent on my vacation, sufficient, right? So I trade only when it's required, not on every day, because there's just one account I showed you the portfolio. I have similarly 4 accounts which I manage large funds for my future, not to get lose anything on intraday. Okay. Of course, anything else you guys want me to talk about? I'm done for the day. So there's no questions. We can, okay, portfolio analysis live on Paytm. Okay, the Paytm has just launched one more new feature, right? One more new feature. So I said you should be looking into it. New way of portfolio analysis. Weightage, market slip. Okay, good one. They are launching new features. So please start using this. Okay, so wait for the tomorrow session. If anything is there, it will be a bit in the schedule. I think most of things are completed. Uh, if you guys need anything, so please reach us. We will be taking sessions if required. Of course, session will be keep going on. The master session will be keep going on. We had one yesterday. I think 2 days back. We'll be having this week also. Every week we're planning to have a couple of master sessions and also classes from masters. So be active in the communication channel. Everything information will be passed only in the communication channel, not to any individual group, right? So everyone is part of the common communication channel, right? Phoenix communication channel. Everyone isn't part of it, right? Yes. Stick to it, and you'll be updated with the latest information from us in the particular channel, right? So if nothing is there, we can wind off. Okay, so let's take a question from Sindil Kumar. He will do it. I have a question on buying alerts daily. What is the question? Does it sell and buy orders? It's intraday calls where we can avail leverage. Watch the Biocon strategy video, which is available in the YouTube. You have all the questions answered over there. I think you have to go to YouTube and search for Stock Phoenix channel, and you'll be having an strategy on Biocon. This one. Okay. This video contains all information about the Biocon strategy. You can watch that. HA strategy video would have been already uploaded to you. It's a pretty simple state strategy. If not, just hit support team. they will upload the video. Please Nitin Spinner. So you analyze the stock and let me know what is difficult you're finding analyzing the stock and what you want me to analyze it. Okay, you analyze the stock and let me know how to get access to support team. Okay, I just lost some questions. Somebody asked about RSI. What is that last question? Somebody asked last question. I've just read the question by mistake. We can ask once again. Okay, I think it does not want to ask. And yes, I will share the link of Paytm. Give me a minute. I'll share it right away. So to get our access, you have to click on this link and download it. I'm sharing in your 32 communication channel. Okay. Okay, I've shared it. Click on that link and download the application. So once you've done it, you can also support team to get your additional complimentary access. In one session, usually you have to upload detailed video of our site, talk to support team, they will upload it. Next question. Guys, no questions. Good to see, right? No, I know market is very bad since last a month. It has been a very bad. We couldn't be able to predict very quickly. The market is lifetime high. We want a correction. Correction is not happening, and of course, this time also market took a support from 50 SMA and bounced back. Right. Again, now the market closed a strong. Fibo also is, see here, it's there. Nothing we could derive at it. And again, the market is closing is strong. Then we can expect market to go up again, but not good. Which is the best time frame in intraday? 15 minutes. Okay, next question. Today was a very good day. 15 minutes was a good respected. It respected the moving average. It was a triple support. That's why I said triple support, double support. And can somebody name this? What is this? Can somebody name what is this? Let me see who answers. Let me see who answers. There's a separate name for it. I explained it some time back. Those who answered golden crossover, answer is wrong. Those who answered death crossover, answer is wrong. Okay, why both are wrong? Okay, agree this has to be either golden crossover or death crossover. Now both is wrong. Why? Golden crossover means 50 moving average. This is 200 moving average. 50 moving average should cut bottom to up. That is golden crossover. Here it has broken from top to this, which is not right. So golden crossover will get cancelled. Now we call it as a death crossover when a same 50 move, this is 200 moving average, 50 moving has to cut like this. That is death crossover. Here it is just going on this one. Second, this becomes valid only if the candlestick are here. That is a name which is called death crossover, and the crossover becomes significance only when the crossover happens close, very close to candle, not far away. So we cannot give credit to any of these two things in this. It is just neutral. And second, here again, now can somebody tell me a concept of why did this fallen back? Could somebody tell me why the fallback happened? Guys, answer me why the fallback happened. Akash, right answer. Hmm. Only one person right answer. Yes, Ravi Teja is also right answer. Okay, so as we have learned, husband and wife should travel together. Whenever the husband goes far away, either husband will wait there itself for the wife to come, or husband will come back down to meet wife, then wife will decide whether to go up or go down. In this case, husband went far away. The wife has said, "You go. I know how to bring you down." Wife was traveling peacefully, slowly. Husband was waited 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Then later, husband could not wait. Wait, let me come you down. Let me come closer to you. He's come back, and they met each other. Then here, candle failed to close below 10 SMA, where the wife has supported the up move. And the up move will start when there is no link. Now, why? Now, why? When the up move will continue? Can somebody tell me? When wife and husband are staying together, what will happen? Only fight will happen. So whenever they are fighting with each other, whenever they're fighting each other, there'll not be any movement. When there's a sufficient amount of gap between, both will think individually and both will support for the up move. So for any kind of an up move, there should not be any touch happening on this 10 SMA. The minute candle leaves 10 SMA, the uptrend will continue. In such kind of a scenarios, when you see such kind of a beautiful up move, you will be, now they have to travel together, but when they go far away, again the halt will come. So to get this kind of a complete up move advantage, then you shift your candlestick to HAC or strategy, then you wait peacefully. The long entry, what we got is quite fast. Still, the long entry has been not been reversed into short entry. Still, now as per our learning, uh, we have not got a sell signal yet. Okay, so if you see this in a normal candle, right? If I convert this into Heiken-Ashi, and if I change this into 8 and 13 as per Heiken-Ashi candle, right? So here the breakout did not happen below this. The crossover happened only here. So the sell signal has not been generated in the system because system knows when to give sell signal as per the learning. So now it is keep going on, going on, going on. Now I no need to worry. Either I got a long signal over here. I could book my profits in these two candles in this half an hour, 1 hour of half an hour of time because I've got a doji signal. Still, the sell is not generated. It's just a caution sign. So because you got a good move on this, you can book profits because I have an alert triggered on this. Of course, I made some 35,000 rupees profit only because of HAC. I have an alert set in my system. It'll come to my Telegram. See, it is my webhook which I've got on from my bot. Okay, so this is from my bot. So whenever alert comes HAC, it comes to my Telegram automatically, and I look into that time only to book my profits because if you keep booking candles, you'll get tempted to book profits or book losses. So just come out of system, wait for system to trigger an alert, and if you see the alert has been triggered today, HAC on torrent forma. If I look at the bank Nifty hasn't got it got HAC version 2 positional strategy, right? This was the trigger which was done earlier, and it's not been triggered into a short signal now. This was a long signal generated, right? So like this, start using your okay, it is on futures, I think. Now I should change into a cash. How trade bank nifty as stop loss hit early? Don't trade bank nifty if stop is hitting early. Then your stop loss is wrong. What stop loss keeping is wrong, right? So bank nifty also today similarly behaved. How can we club bank nifty before other indicators? Don't club it. Okay, again here the bank nifty is about to give a sell signal shortly, right? So one doji candle, top red candle. If the crossover happens, then sell signal will get generated. So we have made things very simple. How effective it is 5 minutes, sir? I don't use it 5 minutes. If you want to use it, you can try it. I don't use 5 minutes. I use only 15 minutes. Okay. Next couple of questions in 10 minutes. We will close it. Any questions? Good consumer. See, these are all very beautiful trades we could have taken with the help of HAC. So find only couple of stocks and just keep an alert for only those stocks and monitor it. You can just do a emotionless, emotion-free trading, what we call. See, many good entries. Okay, PFC has already given a long entry. So PFC and REC will travel together. So then REC should also give a long signal show soon. Keep it in radar. The moment long signal is generated, we're going to make a good profits in REC also because REC is respecting FIBO level, and if it takes from 78.6, we might see a reversal very soon. We can make entry in options. Today is still 12th of November. We have still a good amount of time for this month to do itself, right? Okay, so that's all I had for the day. No more questions. We can wind off. We'll sync up again in the next upcoming class. Okay. Done. We'll sync up again, guys. Of course, we'll be available on Telegram all the time. You can always reach us in case if you need any assistance. Thanks for your time and have a lovely evening ahead. We'll catch you again Monday on live market. So Monday market, I'm not sure how it's going to be. So let's see SGX, what's happening now. SGX is positive. XGX markets dashboard. They are giving some, okay, they give markets on global markets also. Still, I need to explore this platform a lot. Many things they have kept on it. Okay, here. CFI, DI, NASDAQ. Okay, Orange is positive, NASDAQ is positive, and okay. That's all. Bye, guys. We'll catch up again tomorrow or next session. Right? Done. Only refer cash trades. I don't refer future trades. Do decision analysis only based on your cash chart. Don't look into the future chart. Quick trades and all. Whatever stocks coming in the morning of 5 stocks, the top 5 will be having very quick movement for the entire day. The bottom 5 having quick movement for the entire day towards downside. So these two will have a very high frequency trading, and the volume also will be very high in these two counters. So whichever stock is crashing 10% in a back-to-back in 3-4 days, keep those stocks radar in for a reversal trading. Stocks is making lifetime high 3 days continuously. Keep it for reversal trading. Trade only when you get a reversal. For these two trading, follow the method of HAC. You will be able to get a very decent profits and emotionless trading. Okay, done. That's all I had for the day, and we'll sync up again in the next learning classes. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.